First things first, let's get some breakfast before we hit the road. Let me get 2 of your Big Apple Club and coffee here.
And cash or card?
Cash. What up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Full Ventures. Today we're gonna go visit the tallest waterfall in Nebraska. I think there's 3, but this is the tallest. But first, we're gonna grab some things here from Walmart. Your boy caught a little cold, but that ain't gonna stop us. Not really many options here at Walmart. We should do it. What other one sounds good? Yeah, we'll try that one. You want one? This one? Yeah. Alright. Okay. I've never seen the big packs though.
25%, 15%.
What's this? 40%?
Yeah, 40% is max.
We'll just do that. Get one in a little table for the van. Put that in there. I think that should be it for our Walmart trip today, fam. Well, we finally made it. That was top 5, the most boring drive I ever took. Alright, that's where we parked. Now we go to the office. Nobody even over here. One other car besides us. Let's see what they say.
$7. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Get ready for this hike. Alright, so like I said, we're finally here. We gotta walk half a mile to the waterfall and then half a mile back. But I'll take you guys along and we'll see what's on the way there. And it starts right here on these little stairs right here. All the way down that way. And so this is Smith Falls Park, and it is Nebraska's highest waterfall. It's located 18 miles east of Valentine, Nebraska. So the half-mile walk has already begun. There's all these little campsites. Kind of a fire pit. I'm guessing you can back up an RV or something right here. I don't see any power. Bathrooms over there. And they had bathrooms in the office. Also the Niobrara River, I believe it's called. Could be mistaken, but it also runs right through here. I'll show you guys real quick. We had gotten the map in the office, and I gave it to my sister, and she left it. So I think we're going the right way, but we stumbled across this right here. Someone left their floaties. Can we just get on them? They left their keys and everything. In the thing. Yeah, they left the whole little tackle box. The cooler. Well, I don't think it's this way. Because where the hell would we walk through? Well, let's go the other way. Alright, after walking the wrong way for like 5 minutes, we turned back around and we found the right place. Now this way, half a mile is where the waterfall should be. Let's go. Oh yeah. This seems more legit. Yep, there's the bridge we're looking for. Right over that bridge, not too far from the water. Got pretty windy out of nowhere. The sun kind of got covered up by a cloud as well. Hopefully it doesn't start to rain. There's more tubes over there. You can ride them down this river right here, but I just don't know where you go for that. Maybe we'll go search that. Okay, I thought we were gonna go up those steps, but the sound is coming from over here. So let's see what's up. Oh, these steps don't even they don't take you nowhere. What the? Good thing my sister pointed this out. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh, what the? I know this ain't that long. Quick little bathroom. They both stink like shit. No mames. Those need to be empty. Turns out the other way was just another waterfall. And this way actually takes you to the main one. Another waterfall right here. There it is. The main 63-foot tall waterfall in Smith Falls Park. I think this is 1 out of 3 waterfalls here in Nebraska, if I remember correctly from what I read. But this is the tallest, being 63 foot tall. Oh, that water feels good. Feels so fresh. Oh yeah. That's definitely fresh. Thank God these are waterproof. Woo! Alright, so that water is definitely cold. These shoes are definitely waterproof. Trying to get a bit closer. Oh! So these are pretty waterproof, but some water got in right here. There was no stopping that. So if you're gonna come, be sure to bring some shorts and something that you're ready to get wet. Oh damn, that's pretty sick. So this being in Nebraska, that's pretty sick. So if you know there's nothing in Nebraska. I'm getting pretty hungry, so we're gonna go and make some food real quick. And then see what else is in. So we made it back to the van. We're gonna go ahead and pull around into one of the little campsites and make some food real quick. All right, so we pulled up to the back and there's all these camping spots right here. The lady said park at any of them that say not reserved. Well, this one has a tape, nice little shade and access to the river right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and make something to eat real quick. Then we're gonna put our toes in the water and just relax. All right, since the sun's going down, we're just gonna get in the water first and then we're gonna do a little bit of cooking. That's cold! Degrees. So on today's menu, beef lasagna, and my sister's having the same thing with some rice roni. Bought that shit a while back, didn't never use it. First we're gonna start this up. Okay, set that there. Let's get our water in there. Read the bag, child. See how much of water. I forgot it was like a 1 cup.
One and 1/2.
Damn, the wind's blowing. It already came to a boil. It's pretty hot. Just gonna dump some of it in this cup right here without burning myself. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna dump this in here. I think that might be enough, huh? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let me use this one. Because we want to stir it. Stir. Now we're just gonna seal this back up. Sit for 5 minutes. Alright, so I think it's been sitting for long enough, and I unfortunately added too much water, so it looks like lasagna soup. I don't want to lean it too much, I might spill out, but here we go. I'm gonna try it. That's actually pretty good. I'm about to do a second bite. Now we're gonna get Child's rating. Let me see yours. Yep, lasagna soup. What is that, the meat?
That was a pasta.
Okay.
Mmm.
Yeah?
That was pretty good.
Okay. What do you rate this?
You see, if I needed it to survive,
A 10?
no. I say 8.
8?
If I needed it to survive, I would definitely eat it.
I'm gonna say probably I'd say an 8. It's pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. We don't eat much lasagna though, so maybe that's why. But it is pretty good.
If I was stranded, I would enjoy these.
What was the other one we got?
I got chicken.
Oh, you got teriyaki chicken, huh?
That's a bit scary.
Oh, I got chili cheese mac or something.
That one looked good, but
There it is. And we added some of the rice to it, and it kind of helped it, but I still don't recommend this rice. But this, definitely 8. With a little Gatorade. Yes, sir. And you guys are probably wondering why we didn't get fully in the water. And it's because we don't want to be soaked when the sun goes down. So we just got our feet wet. And right now we're getting attacked by mosquitoes.
this is my first time doing anything like this. I definitely recommend you to do this. This was fun. The water was cold.
So like I was saying, we just went ahead and finished up eating. Our original plan was to camp out here. I'm still feeling a little sick, so I don't want to get in this cold water. I don't want to get in there and get more sick. So we're going to go ahead and call this one. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks to all those who are subscribing to the channel, liking, commenting, and sharing the content. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.